What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today, no, we are not upset. We're not angry. We are going to talk about some of the best accessories that you can get for that Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Let's check them out. So the first accessory that we want to look at actually comes with the device. This is the S Pen. So the S Pen is probably going to be the best companion to this. It's going to allow you to use your air gestures, volume up, volume down, things of that nature. So with this in hand, you're going to be able to operate your camera. You're going to be able to take pictures. You're going to be able to swap between video, photo. Air gestures are going to work really well with this. I haven't ran into any issues yet. Only issue that I may have, if I did have to have one, would be the lack of protection. S Pen is going to sit right here on the back of that tablet, and it's not really that protected. It is magnetic. Magnet is a decent strength, but I think I'm going to lose this one. And I think a lot of people will be misplacing this S Pen. So I'm going to have some case reviews coming up pretty soon. So hopefully you guys will stay tuned for that. But right now, let's jump back into the rest of these accessories that we have for this brand new tablet. So if you don't have a case for this yet, you're going to want to stand this thing up because it has decks. You're going to be able to use this as a computer almost. You're going to want to be able to stand this up. And this is where this comes in at. This is the multi-angle stand from the company Subcase. You're going to be able to just basically fold this up and put it down in any bag. It folds up really nicely, real smooth. It's very strong, nice metal construct. You get 180-degree rotation on that. And you're going to be able to stand your tablet in any angle, whether it be portrait mode or your landscape mode. It's going to be good for typing. It's going to be good for using your mouse. It's going to be good for productivity. It's going to be good for entertainment as well. And while we're actually talking about typing, I've shown you this and done a review. This is Logitech Keys to Go. So Logitech Keys to Go is going to be a great keyboard for you to have. Now, not saying that it has the best functionality, but when it comes to size and portability, this is going to be a great keyboard to have. Keys are nice and tactile. They come back up right when you press them. They're very precise. You're going to get volume control. You're going to get music control, camera control, home screen. Some of those don't work because this is intended to work with iOS, but it's still a great keyboard. It's still slim. Form factor matches up. It's going to be good for you to carry and use with that Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Now with this device, you can have two different configurations. You got the 128 gig, you got the 256 gig, and you can add a micro SD card slot right here up to 1 terabyte. That's cool and all, but some people have other needs, so to say. Say you don't want to take that card out every time you go back and forth between your computer and your tablet. That's where this comes in. This is the GDrive R series from G Technology. This is a 500 gig solid state drive, a SSD. It's going to have all your files, everything, and it connects directly USB to USB using Type-C. So when you plug that in, all you do now is you go in and you find your files. You go to your files for your USB storage, which I have it right here, and anything that is on here that you want to bring over to the tablet, feel free to do. You just hold on it, highlight it, then you want to copy it or you want to move it. Let's move it. We want to take it to our internal storage and we want to put it in our download folder. Let's move it there. It's going to shoot over. Boom. It's done. Now that file was less than a gig, but if you want to send something back, I don't have anything big on here to send back, but I do have this folder here. And if we want to copy this folder, it's only 32 megabytes, but we're still going to send it back. We're going to take it. We're going to go to the USB storage and we're just going to copy here. Goes back over, no issues whatsoever. Now I haven't tested the larger files yet, but I'm going to get there. And once I do, I'm going to let you know how they actually work. You have to unmount this because you don't want any corruption. Hit that. It's unmounted. And and we disconnect it just like that. So this is a great little device to have. You can take this wherever you go. It fits in your pocket. It's crush proof up to 1,000 pounds. It's water resistant IP67, and it's dust resistant IP67. So it's a great device for you to have for your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. This is the GDrive R series by G Technology. So the fact of the matter is, we do not have a headphone jack on here anymore. Everything is basically going towards the wireless route. So you're gonna need some headphones if you want to listen to music or YouTube or any kind of movies, anything that you need. So I suggest these. These are the Samsung Galaxy Buds. You're gonna be able to get continuous all-day play out of these anywhere that you go. As soon as you open them up, they connect. Now the cool thing about these is when you go in here, you go into your Gear Wearable app, there's actually a monitor that's going to monitor your battery. Now the battery actually can charge up through here or through wireless charging. And you also have a USB Type-C connector in the back for you to connect these and charge them as well. You got your battery life on each earbud. You actually have a equalizer right here, and you can customize your touchpad from here. So anything that you want to do, touch them. If you want to lock the touchpad so that you don't hit it accidentally and change your music or pause it or play it, you can do so. You have free reign over your music, over your entertainment right here in the palm of your hand with Samsung Galaxy Buds. Also, if you're anything like me, you may use this tablet all day long. Now, it has a 7,000 milliamp hour battery on it, but you may need more power. If you're a heavy user, you may need more power. This is what I want you to check out. This is the 8-day charger from the company Nimble for Good. I carry this just about everywhere I go. Now it does have a little weight to it, I'm not gonna lie to you, but the form factor being slim gives it the impression that it is a little bit more compact. So it's a little heavy, but it's more compact and it'll fit down in just about any bag. You get two connectors up top, USB 3.0 on each side and USB Type-C in the middle. USB Type-C in the middle is gonna give you a quick charge all day long. It's actual PD charging. It goes up to 40 watts. You'll be able to charge this device up in no time using this battery right here from the company Nimble for Good. USB Type-C, USB 3.0, quick charge, PD charge. What more could you ask for? Go by and check them out. So this is it, guys. Some of the best accessories that I have right now that I will be using with my Tab S6. The Logitech Keys to Go will allow me to go into DeX mode and use a laptop. The GDrive will allow me to take my files on the go with me, swap from device to device. Galaxy earbuds are going to allow me to stay up to date with my entertainment, my music, everything I need. All-day battery power right here with the 8-day from Nimble for Good. And I forgot to mention Nimble for Good. You got the button over here and it actually has LED lights on the side that let you know how much battery that you have. And the stand that I have right here that's very portable, very light, very sturdy and very strong from the company Subcase. What more could you ask for? I'm glad you asked. So I'm coming back each week with different accessories that you're going to be able to use with this tablet that are going to make your life so much more easier. I'm going to use some mouse devices. I may have more SSD, maybe some hard drives, maybe more batteries, keyboards, cases, you name it. We're going to come back with it and we're going to talk about it. So my whole goal is to make your life a whole lot easier without spending a whole lot of money. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.